In this video, we'll explain how to view, write, and submit tests. To begin, navigate to the Activity menu within the Roombr platform. Upon accessing the Activity menu, you will land in the Test tab, where all tests are listed. Click on the test title to view and attend the test. Here, you can see all the details about the test, such as the test name, due date, total number of questions, total marks, teacher instructions, and general instructions for writing the test. Confirm by checking the Read All Instructions checkbox and clicking on the Proceed button. You will be taken to the test writing page, and the timer will begin if it is a time-bound test. Questions will be displayed one by one. You can easily navigate to any question by clicking on the right-hand side navigators. The status of each question, such as not visited, not answered, answered, review, current, and mandatory, is denoted with a specific color. While writing the test, if you want to review any answers before submitting, you can click the Review checkbox. After writing all the questions, you can click on the Submit button to finish the test. In case you cannot submit the test during the specified time limit or due to any internet issues, the test will be auto-submitted with the already provided answers. Once you have submitted the test, its status will change from pending to submitted. After the teacher evaluates it, the status will automatically change to evaluated. Please note that once the due date is over, the test will expire and you will not be able to submit it.